Oannis Reader has been developed by Diwan software. Oannis is a complete solution for publishing and browsing educational books on computers. It includes all the required features for electronic book browsing, as well as emulating all the features that students may need when studying, like highlights, adding notes, summaries, bookmarks, search, and high-quality printing. It also adds a full networking system, allowing a teacher to manage a whole classroom of computers. The interface is kept clear and to a minimum, allowing teachers and students of any age to use the program immediately. With Oannis, a complete set of curriculum books for a high school education can be stored on a single CD. The following is a demonstration of Oannis Reader. This demonstration shows the curriculum for the high schools in the Republic of Yemen. All the books of the high school have been put on one CD, including the Humanities and Science Studies, about 90 books in total. Let's pick one of the books. Browse. The books have been laid out to look identical to the original book, keeping the same spacing, alignment, page numbers, and high clarity of text on screen. You can browse the book from the book index by selecting the subject to go to, or you can browse the book page by page using Next, Previous, or by typing the page number to go to. Zoom. The ability to show the book pages as a full page or as a zoomed page. Print. We can print high-quality pages of the books and specify the number of pages to be printed directly. The printed pages look exactly like the original book. Bookmark. The student can add bookmarks, allowing him to go back to the same page after closing the book and opening a different one, or closing the application and reopening it. Search. The search feature in the software makes it possible to search for a word inside a single book. Search could be performed through a group of books. The search could be done by word, sentence, or a group of words in the same page. This search could be run in any language. Highlight. Adding highlight to the books is possible with different colors. Students can highlight a line of text, a paragraph, or a full diagram. This gives special attention to this area when going back to read the same page again. This highlight is saved on the hard disk and will stay on the electronic book after closing the application unless we delete it. It is possible to copy the highlighted area and paste it as text or an image into another application for writing a report about a subject or for research purposes. It's possible to add a link to any highlighted areas, link it to a website, video, audio, or any image that is available on the computer. This will make it possible to link all of the available educational material to the electronic books. This feature will enable the students, with the help of their teacher, to arrange educational materials prepared by themselves or from the internet and linked to the books, which produces special versions of the curriculum books that are more enhanced than the original book. Notes. The student is able to add his notes in any place in the books. These notes are automatically saved on the hard disk, and it is possible to read it always in its place. It can be shown, edited, deleted, or change its location on the page. Also, notes can be copied and pasted to other applications. Those notes can be exported and imported. With this feature, we can save a lot of time, usually wasted in class, when the teacher has to write on the board and the students copy what has been written. With Oannis, the teacher can export notes and highlight from his book, and the student can import them, saving time writing on the board over and over during the lecture. Summary. A summary page can be generated from the marked areas, highlighted areas, of each book, and this page shall be saved in a separate file that could be opened and printed separately from the software, which gives the reader the ability to read all his highlighted areas on the book in one single page. Networking. Oannis Reader has a unique feature that allows interaction between the teacher and the students in the classroom. When students start their application in the classroom, they enter their login information to register themselves at the teacher's machine. The teacher can interact with the students in the following ways. The teacher can send page synchronization commands to students to ensure that they are all viewing the same contents. By right-clicking on any note or highlighted area, it is possible to send it to a specific student or to all the students in the class. Finally, teachers can prepare multiple choice questions and send them to students. Students will immediately see a dialog box with the multiple choice questions. When all students answer, the teacher's version will show a chart showing the students' answers as percentages of each choice. This helps in increasing the level of interaction and attention of the students during the lesson.